Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well, we're here for give you a little interview, you see me? So I'm going to ask you some questions and you just answer the thing, right? Looking at the camera, man. What's your name?
Camera.
What's your mother name?
My mother name Gloria.
And what's your father name?
My father name Marshy.
Which year you born?
He born up to September.
I didn't hear that.
He born first of April, it's September.
What date?
It's July first of April.
So, how old you be?
You're 13.
And your mother how much?
Mother 15.
And your father how much?
Father 10.
How much months you stay in your mother belly?
1
month.
month.
Oh, how much pound you weigh when you're born?
Maybe 1.5 pound. 1.5 pound me weigh.
Okay, so you have no sister?
Yeah, we got 2 sisters.
What their name?
One name be one name Lisa.
Who older?
Lisa.
Lisa how much?
Lisa 10.
And Viviana how much?
Viviana 5.
Okay, so me have movie, you know. Me have movie for your watch. Where you go watch, you know?
Really?
Me not hear you, man. Look up in your camera and answer me, no man.
Really?
You what?
Really, we are going to see now.
VDD?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't know no bad song you can sing. Sing one song let me hear, no man.
I will all bun find a pot. You know so we want more than that. And money have buy the coconut.
But a big song who sing that tune there?
And Mr. Lucy.
Who?
Mr. Lucy.
Mr. Lucy?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. So where brother them there?
Then they are country.
How much your brother you have?
You got 5 brother.
So we cannot bring them down here.
They will last.
Why they will last?
Then they used to down here.
Okay. So how much brother you say you have?
5.
What their name?
One name Kaka.
One
name Powder. One name Johnny. One name Patrick.
That's it?
One name Kaka.
Okay, so
And George.
Oh. So you not on a phone?
Yeah, my phone.
What number?
Phone 916. 916.
No more digit.
916.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so who buy phone for you?
I don't know Shade.
Okay, I see. So all of you be again?
13.
And your mother how much?
15.
And your father how much?
9.
So your father there?
I'm dead.
How old he be when he dead?
13.
Okay, I see. So at what age your father get you?
July.
What age?
July.
Okay. Alright, Kushu, that was a short interview. We get back to you and link up, alright?
Yeah.